Hey, good morning. Here we are. This is the day one after the lawn reno. We got all of the thatch and dead grass out. We got our topsoil / compost mix down, and of course we seeded underneath this with my blend of heat tolerant tall fescue and Kentucky Blue, designed for the South. I'm in the transition zone here in Tennessee, and it definitely doesn't make it easy to grow grass. But here we go, and just kind of giving you day one after the fact. We'll give you updates daily. We'll see how we're coming in. Obviously, no germination yet, and this is August 30th, 2019. Another beautiful day, and things are coming along. We're getting them. Got to do some major pruning out here. Got stuff getting crazy on me. Look at that bush over there. Oh yeah, it needs it. Still working on the cement project over here, where we're pouring out that slab, and of course the colors are not accurate at this point because there's actually a topper going over that, because we're going to do this too so it all matches. I'll have a video on that down the road also if you're looking for a DIY or your own. And that's kind of what's going on. You guys have a great day. This is Lovin' the Green Gary signing off. Oh hey, by the way, be sure to like and subscribe so I can give you some more lawn tips. Have a great day.